Hello?
Hello, Mr. Florentine.
Yeah, this is him.
My name is Jude. I'm calling Mercer card holders. And the reason I'm calling you is to let you know that you are valued at University. And we're going to send you a free trial packet of about an exciting new program called Leisure Advantage offered by MemberWorks, as well as 2 free round-trip airline tickets.
I'm sorry, sir?
We're going to send you 2 free airline tickets to destinations including Florida, Mexico, Caribbean, Hawaii, Canada, and London. Some of the benefits of Leisure Advantage are savings up to 20% at Kmart, Foot Locker, Barnes & Noble, and many others, as well as savings up to 50% on golf greens. And 50%. And standard nightly rates at hotels like the Marriott, Holiday Inn, Ramada, and Days Inn. Keep in mind that